One of the things that makes it such a great place to work is how cohesive of an environment it is. Everybody wants to help everybody out. Everybody's
working towards a common goal. And
it's like a family here. Everybody's willing to help you.
They've always given me the tools I needed to succeed, so they really helped me and grew me and taught me what I needed to know.
The company always has great opportunities for everybody that wants to take them.
If there's an opportunity in one department, there's going to be opportunities in other departments. If not in that store, another store.
Not only for people that have been in the company for a long time, but it's just for anybody that's got the desire to be better.
I came into the business with no experience. I was a college student. I sold cars for 8 months. And when the opportunity arose, because I was consistent and I trusted the process, I got this opportunity here. If you put in the effort, you'll get that opportunity when the time comes. And you know, it's nice that other people will have these opportunities too, to move from one store to another or different positions and grow their skill levels as well.
One of the best things, and I talk about it on a daily basis about the Rairdon Group, is the fact that we have that culture playbook, and we have our core foundation being not only the culture playbook, but our culture of care. And when we're in a problem, literally anything you come across, you can go back to that culture playbook and find your answer.
It's more than just a saying. It's something that you have to go out of your way to do.
They push you to be better in every single aspect of your life.
It's not just that we're becoming better at our jobs and we're performing better here, but we're also becoming better humans.
When we bring in new people, especially people who might have had a little bit of experience at a different car dealership, and they come in the first couple of days, they can just feel the culture that, you know, we truly are a little different than different organizations.
This company has helped me find out pretty much, you know, like where I am and where I want to go and how to get there.
I remember coming back from one of the trainings and thinking, wow, this has really helped me with my job.
It's changed my personal life.
It's all about what you focus on, what you need to do, what's your goal. Like, it's not just work, it's literally your mindset, it's the lifestyle.
It's somewhere that I enjoy coming to work every day. I mean, we spend a majority of our lives at work, so why not go somewhere that you're enjoying it?
Rairdon's is a really fun and friendly community to come to work in every day.
It comes down to the people. It's not, we're a business, we're here to do business, to take care of our customers, but more so than that, we're here to deal with people, and there's a firm understanding of that. So I know every day that they care about me with the actions, the way they treat me, the way they talk to me. It's been phenomenal for me.
Hi, I'm Rachel and I work for Rairdon Auto Group.
My name is Brendon Collins. I work for the Rairdon Automotive Group.
Hi, my name is Justin, and I work for the Rairdon Auto Group.
My name is Edgar and I work for the Rairdon Auto Group.
So we really look forward to seeing your application.